Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is a quick introduction to our floor standing barbecue. So it comes from 3 modular grill tops, has a shelf at the bottom and a mid shelf for any food. So these grill trays are modular, like I've just said, and they are stainless steel, so they are dishwasher safe, and you can have them in any configuration, and we do sell them additionally. This is a charcoal tray, powder coated steel in a heat proof powder coat. Adjustable control vent discs on both sides so you can control the heat. The handy tray below has a hanging hooks for the tools. It's a compact design, but it has a lot of features. So it does come sent out flat packed, so you bolt the legs and the shelves on, and the trays do come separately, and you just slot them into the top. It's very easy to do. So as with all of our products, we design and manufacture in the UK, and it's made in galvanised steel base with powder coated finish, so it will give you very long life. Thanks for watching the video. Any questions, please let us know, and hopefully you enjoy it as much as we do.